We're gonna get started with the Color Icon 10-pan palette. This collection is called My Glamour Squad. But before we do your eyeshadow, I like to put just a translucent loose powder down just to catch anything that might, they call it fallout in the industry. So you look like a football player.
Okay.
You look very butch. Put me in, coach.
Put me in.
So when you go shopping for makeup, what do you normally look for?
What's important for me is matching my skin tone, because it's sometimes hard for me to find things that are as pale as I am.
Well, they sell mayonnaise everywhere. I'm gonna use the black, and I'm just going to stipple. We're gonna use the burgundy. Burgundy sounds very exotic. You're wearing, what color is that?
Oh, it's burgundy.
I'm gonna take that transition color, just small little circles just above that burgundy. I'm gonna go right along the lash line and just kind of fill that in. I'm gonna take a little bit of that burgundy and I'm just gonna go along that black that we just applied. So now we're gonna go into the waterline. This is really gonna make the color in your eyes pop.